Diana? Stay away. The monster!
The cheetah is gone, Barbie. You're safe now.
Oh, Diana, this is all my fault. I released the cheetah.
You? Why?
Because I was jealous of you.
You needn't be. One person's success does not preclude another's. Jealousy is a green-eyed monster that will consume you if you do not let it go.
You're right, Diana. I'm sorry.
The cheetah.
Go, Diana. I'm fine. Just go.
Supergirl!
She can't hear you.
She'll be fine. In about 7 hours. What about the monster? She has escaped. For now. But surely we will face her another day.
Let go of the green-eyed monster, eh, Diana? And why would I ever want to let go of this?